Hi, this is Mandy with Scholar Marketing. Today we are going to show you how to sort your file, your Excel spreadsheet, if you will. In front of you, you will see we have our demo database for our entire sphere of influence. And first things first, you want to make sure that you select your entire spreadsheet before you sort. It ensures that the appropriate information stays with the appropriate contact instead of taking last name for contact A and sorting it all the way down to contact E or vice versa. So you want to click right here, this box all the way to the left, and you will notice it grays out our entire spreadsheet. That means all of it is selected. That is a fail-safe way to make sure that when you sort, it's going to sort everything appropriately. And in order. So you want to click the Data tab here, and you will see your sort and filter options. Today we're going to choose the A to Z. Click that one time. You will notice it did it did sort our spreadsheet. It did it alphabetically based on the first column. We just happen to have first names in the first column, and so that's why it sorted it that way. But you can see that it kept all the emails appropriately with the right contact. And there is one other way to show you to sort. It's not quite as fail-safe. But I do want to show you here. Let's say instead of sorting by the first name, you want to sort by the tag that we have added. We have added tags based on the role of these particular contacts. One is a family member, one is a lead, one is a realtor, one's a home inspector, one's an attorney, and one's a lender. So for that particular sort, if I want to pick this column and sort it, because now I've decided, for instance, I want this to be a preferred partner database. I don't want this to be my entire sphere of influence. I want to mark it specifically to my preferred partners. So I want to remove the lead. I want to remove my family member and just keep it with partners. So I want to sort by this particular column. That's okay to do. You can click the letter of that column. You'll notice it grays out the entire column, meaning it is selected. And right here from your home tab over on the right, you will see a sort and filter option. You can click that once and it will show you some options here. It's not as many as you would see on your data tab, but it is some. And I'm going to choose sort A to Z. Now here's the pop-up. Here's the critical part. You want to choose to expand the selection. If you don't, that means that it will only sort this one column and jumble up everything because all the other columns would stay the same. Okay, it would actually change the tags assigned to that person. It would not keep the appropriate information with the appropriate contact. That's if you would choose continue the current selection. So make sure you select expand the selection. So hit sort. You will see that it did alphabetize this one column we chose, but it also sorted the other information as well, keeping that appropriate tag with the appropriate contact. Now I can go in and I see my lead. I can go one time left click on that row and right click and choose delete. And my family member right there, I can choose that row, right click, and delete. And that way it has kept the particular folks on here that I would like to keep, but deleted the rows that I don't want to be imported. All right. And those are just two options of sorting your spreadsheet. There is quite a bit of work that needs to be done on this spreadsheet in order to reformat it to import into Command. That's where we can help you at Scott Leroy Marketing. Once you have this list looking exactly like you want it, scrubbed is what we call it. That means you have made sure all of your information is updated for each contact and the right contacts are on here. You might have even added your own tags to each person. You'll notice that they're separated by a comma and a space. You can go ahead and do that. Just make sure this looks the way that you want it to be with your contact information. At that point, once it's scrubbed, you can actually send this file over to us at Scott Leroy Marketing and we will help you reformat and import it. We would just need the file to be in a .csv format. That's easily done. When you click File, you can go to Save As, and in the file type, .csv, which means it's a comma delimited file, you can choose that and send us this file. along with your command username and password, and we are happy to get this reformatted for you, send it back for your approval. Once you say thumbs up, we can get it imported into your command for you, and it really takes a lot of stress off of you. So let us help you in that way. Our email is support@scottleroymarketing.com. If you have any questions or need any help, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Thanks for watching.